Good morning, students. So, based on second order derivatives, to solve some more problems, that is problem number 19. If y is equal to tan inverse x to the power of 2, show that 1 plus x square whole power 2 into y2 plus 2x into bracket 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2. Now, that is most important sum. That is also 5-mark question. That question was asked in previous year, I think that is 2018 March, 5-mark question. Okay, very simple question. Look here, how to solve. Now here given y is equal to tan inverse of x. Very simple problem to the power of 2. Now to prove that y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. y1 is nothing but another notation dy by dx. First to find y1. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x denoted by dy by dx. Another notation is y1 is equal to right side. Make it as standard form. Put tan inverse x is equal to capital X. It is in the form capital X square. You know that derivative of capital X square is 2 into capital X. Into another friend, derivative of tan inverse x formula 1 divided by 1 plus x square. ಇದನ್ನ capital X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x square ಆಯ್ತು. Derivative of x square formula 2 into capital X. Capital X value tan inverse x into derivative of tan inverse x. Standard formula 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Next step, cross multiply. 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 times tan inverse of x. This is first order. Once again differentiate both sides with respect to x. In left hand side here, product of two functions. Apply product rule. The rule says first function as it is into derivative of second function, derivative of y1. You know that derivative of y1 is next number. What is that? y2 plus second function as it is y1 into derivative of first function, derivative of 1 0 plus derivative of x square is 2x is equal to 2 constant as it is. Derivative of tan inverse x formula, you know, 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Cross multiply 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus x square whole power 2 into y2 plus 2x into y1 into 1 plus x square, that is 2x into 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2. That term goes to here, cross multiplication. So that is 1 plus x square whole power 2 into y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2. That is the answer. 5 mark. It's simple. I don't read. 5 mark 2018 March. Okay. Okay. Next problem. Problem number 20. If y is equal to cos inverse x, find d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. Again 5 mark question, important sum. Now here is another question. Find d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. Andre d square y by dx square solve ಮಾಡಿದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎದರೊಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? In terms of y, not in terms of x. x ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬಾರದು. Answer must be in terms of y. How to solve? Given y is equal to cos inverse x. ನಮಗೆ x term ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಬಾರದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ in terms of y. So given y is equal to cos inverse x, by definition of inverse function, how to write? We write cos y is equal to x. Okay. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. You know that derivative of cos y with respect to different variable x. Derivative of cos, you know the formula. That is minus sin y, but with respect to different variable x, into dy by dx is equal to derivative of x with respect to x 1. Okay. Therefore rearrange dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by sin y. That is minus 1 by sine using trigonometric function cosec 1. 1 by sine is cosec 1. Okay, this is first order. Once again differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. You know that derivative of dy by dx. Once again differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು d2y by dx square is equal to minus sin as it is derivative of cosec. You know the formula. Derivative of cosec is minus cosec into cot. That is minus cosec y into cot y, but with respect to different variable x into dy by dx. That is minus into minus plus cosec y into cot y into dy by dx. But dy by dx using equation number 2, dy by dx value minus cosec y. Therefore, d2y by dx square is equal to minus cosec into cosec, cosec square y into cot y. That is the final answer. These are the in terms of y alone. Okay. Next problem, problem number 21. If x is equal to a into bracket cos t plus t sin t and y is equal to a into bracket sin t minus t cos t. Find d square y by dx square. Observe it clearly here. X is a function of t and y is a function of t. Clearly it is parametric function because x is function of another variable t and y is function of another variable t. Therefore, by using parametric, how to find dy by dx? You know the formula. Dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt because it is parametric function. Now to find dy by dt, observe it. Since y is equal to a into bracket sin t minus t cos t, then differentiation of that value with respect to same variable t, a constant, derivative of sin t with respect to t is cos t minus here product of two functions t into cos t. Apply product rule. The formula is first function as it is t into derivative of second function, derivative of cos t is minus sin t plus second function as it is cos t into derivative of first function, derivative of t with respect to same variable t, that is 1. Okay, that is simplified. A into bracket cos t minus into minus plus t sin t minus into plus minus cos t plus cos t minus cos t cancel. So dy by dt is equal to a into t sin t. This is dy by dt. Similarly, to find dx by dt, again x is equal to a into bracket cos t plus t sin t. Then differentiation of that value with respect to same variable t. So a constant into function, derivative of cos t is minus sin t plus again here product of two functions. Apply u into v rule. The rule says first function as it is, that is t, into derivative of second function, derivative of sin t is cos t plus second function as it is sin t into derivative of first function with respect to same variable t, that is 1. Okay, minus sin t plus sin t cancel, that is a t into cos t. This is dx by dt. Therefore, put those two values in equation 1. Equation 1 gives dy by dx is equal to dy by dt. dy by dt value at into sin t, dx by dt is at into cos t. A cancel, t cancel, sin t upon cos t trigonometric function tan t. This is first order. Now the question is to find second order. So that once again differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of dy by dx with respect to x. What is that? D square y by dx square is equal to derivative of right side. Derivative of tan t with respect to different variable x. Derivative of tan, you know the formula. What is that? Sec square t. But with respect to x, we write dt by dx. Because with respect to x is in t is x is a different variable into dt by dx. That is secant square t. But we don't know the value of dt by dx. dt by dx ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದು? dx by dt ಇದೆ. So that dt by dx can be written as, we write like this, 1 divided by dx by dt. ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಲ್ಲ? Because 1 by dx by dt is nothing but that dt goes to numerator, it will become dt by dx. Okay, that is secant square t into 1 by, but the value of dx by dt value a into t cos t. That is secant square t divided by a into t, 1 by cos t, trigonometric function sec t. Therefore d square y by dx square is equal to sec square into sec cube t divided by a into t. That is the final answer. Okay. Next problem number 22. If y is equal to e power a cos inverse of x, then show that 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx minus a square y is equal to 0. Now differentiate 2 times. Answer ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Now first to find first order, dy by dx is equal to, how to differentiate? Make it as standard form. Put a cos inverse x, ಇದೇನು ಪವರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪವರ್ ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Put a cos inverse x is equal to capital X. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? It is in the form e power capital X. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ derivative of e power capital X ಏನಿದೆ? What is derivative of e power capital X? E power capital X itself, e power capital X value a cos inverse x into another friend ಯಾರು? capital X. capital X value a cos inverse x, a constant, ಹೌದಾ? into function. What is derivative of cos inverse x? Standard formula, you know, that is minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಈ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, e power capital X ಆಯ್ತು. Derivative of e power capital X is e power capital X itself into derivative of power a constant as it is into derivative of cos inverse x, standard formula minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, next step, cross multiply. What happen? Root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus a e power a cos inverse x. Correct? That is root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus a e power a cos inverse x given data, using equation 1 given data 1. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಶೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 1 minus x square ರೂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಬೇಡ ನಮಗೆ. ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ರೂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, 1 minus x square into dy by dx whole power 2. ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, minus square is plus a square y square. Okay, now once again differentiate both sides with respect to x. In left hand side here, product of two functions, apply product rule. The rule says first function as it is, into derivative of second function. Second function ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx whole power 2. Make it as standard form. ಈ dy by dx capital X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. It is in the form capital X square. Derivative of capital X square formula 2 into capital X. Capital X value dy by dx into another friend is dy by dx. What is derivative of dy by dx? Once again differentiate, that is 2 times d square y by dx square. 2 into dy by dx into derivative of dy by dx is d square y by dx square plus first function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is dy by dx whole power 2 into derivative of first function. Differentiation of first function, derivative of 1 constant term 0 minus derivative of x square 2x is equal to a square constant into derivative of y square. You know that derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. That is 2y into another notation for dy by dx is y1. Okay. Now rearrange 1 minus x square into 2 dy by dx into d square y by dx square plus into minus minus 2x into dy by dx to the power of 2 is equal to a square 2y. ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು y1 ಬದಲಿ dy by dx ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ dy by dx 2y into dy by dx. Okay. Now among these three terms, ಮೂರು term observe ಮಾಡಿ. This is first term, second term, third term. Among these three terms, what is common value? Common value ಏನಿದೆ? 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೋದಾ? ಮತ್ತೇನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? dy by dx ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದರಾಗೂ dy by dx ಇದೆ, ಇದರಾಗೂ dy by dx ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Only 2 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, dy by dx ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. So that divide by 2 into dy by dx. ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ 2 into dy by dx ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 into dy by dx ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದು. ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿದೆ? 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. 1 dy by dx ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ dy by dx ಉಳಿತು. That is x into dy by dx is equal to a square 2 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, dy by dx ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? 1. Therefore 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx. Take equal on right side. Minus a square y is equal to 0. 5 mark question. Important sum. Note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes. Last problem in this type, that is miscellaneous problem. If x minus a whole power 2 plus y minus b whole power 2 is equal to c square, then prove that 1 plus dy by dx to the power of 2 whole power 3 by 2 divided by d square y by dx square is a constant independent of a and b. After solving that result, if the answer become purely constant, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಏನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಬಿನೂ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಏನೂ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿನೂ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿದರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರಬೇಕು? Constant term C. Okay. How to solve? Look here. Now here given data, which type of function is here? ಯಾವ function ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? It is implicit function. Mixed vegetables, mixed variables, implicit function. Now first to find dy by dx. ಮೊದಲು dy by dx ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಂತರ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಂತರ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ 2 ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ 3/2 ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ದೆನ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟು. ಓಕೆ, 1 by 1. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Because it is implicit function, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now make it a standard form. ಈ x minus a ಗೆ capital X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರು capital X square. Derivative of capital X square 2 times capital X. Similarly derivative of ಇದಕ್ಕೆ y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Capital Y square 2 times capital Y, that is y minus b, with respect to different variable x into dy by dx is equal to derivative of c square. C is constant, derivative of constant is 0. This implies ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಿದೆ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ, or we write 2 into x minus a is equal to minus 2 into y minus b dy by dx. 2 of x minus a is equal to, that term goes to right side, minus 2 of y minus b dy by dx, or dy by dx is equal to, rearrange, dy by dx is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, that is minus 2 of x minus a divided by 2 of y minus b, correct? Divide both sides by minus 2 of y minus b. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ minus 2 of y minus b ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this is cancel, dy by dx equal to minus of 2 of x minus a by 2 of y minus b. Now 2 cancel, dy by dx is equal to minus into x minus a divided by y minus b. This is called an equation. We got dy by dx. Next ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, dy by dx whole square. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. Therefore dy by dx whole power 2 is equal to, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus square plus x minus a whole power 2 by y minus b whole power 2. Right? Next, to find dy by dx square, we got dy by dx. Once again differentiate, because to find dy by dx square, so that once again differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. Now derivative of dy by dx denoted by d2y by dx square is equal to minus, it is in the form u by v. Apply which rule? Quotient rule. Quotient rule says this is u, that is v. Quotient rule formula what? V as it is. What is v? Y minus b into derivative of u. What is u? U value x minus a. Derivative of that, derivative of x with respect to x1 minus derivative of a. A is constant, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Minus u as it is, x minus a, into derivative of v, differentiation of denominator, derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx, minus derivative of b with respect to x, constant term 0, divided by denominator square, y minus b to the power of 2. This is quotient rule. Okay, then simplify. D square y by dx square is equal to minus y minus b into 1 y minus b, correct? Minus x minus a as it is. Dy by dx, dy by dx using equation number 2, dy by dx value minus of x minus a by y minus b. Is that right? dy by dx value minus of x minus a by y minus b, correct? Divided by y minus b to the power of 2. That is equal to minus of y minus b minus into minus plus x minus a into x minus a to the power of 2 by y minus b whole divided by y minus b to the power of 2. That is equal to minus of, in the numerator take the LCM. LCM is y minus b. Here multiply by y minus b. Here multiply by 1. Y minus b into y minus b. Y minus b to the power of 2 plus x minus a to the power of 2 divided by y minus b whole divided by y minus b whole square. That is y minus b whole power 3. Okay. Now therefore d2y by dx square is equal to minus, observe ಮಾಡಿರಲಿ, minus as it is x minus a to the power of 2 plus y minus b to the power of 2. Using equation 1, what is its value? X minus a to the power of 2 plus y minus b to the power of 2 value? C square, using equation 1, right? Divided by y minus b to the power of 3. Okay, therefore, 1 plus dy by dx whole power 2 whole power 3 by 2 divided by d2y by dx square is equal to, substituting the values, 1 plus dy by dx to the power of 2 value x minus a to the power of 2 by y minus b to the power of 2 whole power 3 by 2 divided by d2y by dx square value minus c square by y minus b to the power of 3 is equal to, in the numerator take LCM. LCM is y minus b whole square multiplied by y minus b whole square, that is y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square divided by y minus b whole square whole power 3 by 2 divided by minus c square by y minus b to the power of 3. Okay, that is equal to y minus b to the power of 2 plus x minus a to the power of 2. Using equation number 1, its value is c square, correct? By y minus b to the power of 2 whole power 3 by 2 divided by minus c square by y minus b whole power 3. Correct? Because x minus a whole power 2 plus y minus b whole power 2 value c square substitute ಮಾಡಿ divided by y minus b to the power of 2 whole power 3 by 2 whole divided by minus c square by y minus b to the power of 3. Okay, then that is equal to, ಇದು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. Then further last step, so 1 plus dy by dx to the power of 2 whole power 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square is equal to, further simplify, look here, apply laws of indices. A power m whole power n formula, a power m into n, c power 2 whole power 3 by 2, c power 2 into 3 by 2, 2 cancel, ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? c cube ಆಯಿತು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ y minus b to the power of 2 whole power 3 by 2, 2 cancel, that is y minus b whole power 3, right? Into, if you take multiplication, whole divided by there, ಅದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y minus b to the power of 3 divided by minus c square. Now y minus b whole power 3, y minus b whole power 3 cancel, that is equal to 1 c square cancel, answer minus c, that is minus c is nothing but it is constant independent of, what is constant independent of a and b. A ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, b ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, another constant c. Okay, this is miscellaneous problem. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಸರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಗೇನ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 11 ಆನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Problem number 11 to problem number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. ಸುಮಾರು 10 problems. 10 problems ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ out of 10 they will be asked anyone in final exam, no doubt it is expected. In your question paper, part D, question number 42 belongs to under second order derivative problem. Clear? Okay.